A video about the folder personal. This is the ISO I just built, so it's the version for September, number 5. You can follow that on ArcoLinux.info in the beta testers page, what we've done to our ISOs. And the video I'm gonna make now is what does Eric Dubois do after any clean installation? And I've changed something. There is this Nemesis GitHub. So the github.com Eric Dubois ArcoLinux Nemesis is a way to make any Linux distribution out there the way you like it. I've been playing around with Linux Mint maybe over 6 years, I don't know. And each time I hated the look, but it doesn't mean the distro is bad. You need to change it to the icons you like, to the theme you like, to the cursor you like, to the wallpaper you like, right? So that's basically what this personal is all about. This folder personal that we get is on the system, and it's up to, well, I wouldn't say daredevils, but it's up to the ISO builders. It's just a moment in your studies of Linux when you're ready to build an ISO, and you can put your own stuff in the personal folder here, and then use an alias to copy paste everything over. We've a standard alias already. Alias personal is going to copy paste everything that you put in the personal folder and put it to your home directory. We've just made a video because you get a nice look, right? You have found nice icons, and 2 weeks later you found other new icons and other wallpapers with another theme, and you want to keep that theme. So keeping your settings for next time around, that's maybe something you can do, and that's explained in this video. So what I've done, let's not do a Arco get started. Let's do a github.com/ArcoLinux Eric Dubois. That's enough, right? Put your stuff online. ArcoLinux Nemesis. This is stuff. You can copy paste my stuff. I don't mind that you do that. So maybe better not zip it, but click on this little thing here and then git clone it somewhere. Save away, maybe in the documents somewhere. Open a terminal, git clone, and now you can do Ctrl-Shift-V and open it up. Learn. Maybe is code installed? Code is not installed. Maybe let's combine it with sudo pacman -s code. An application. Code is installed. That's Visual Studio Code for you. Code OSS. Light, dark, okay. Dark it is. And then you open this up. Let's get rid of the welcome. Let's put you over here, and you can just drop it in there. Voila. Yes, I trust the authors, right? Always the same thing. And choose the look you want. Next section, I have to do some things here. Next section, don't change this, I think. Side by side. Mark done. Voila, I'm done. So now I can read. You can read the code. What was it again? Ctrl-Shift+. Yeah. So Ctrl-Shift+ is working. Ctrl+ is working. Ctrl- is working. Minus, right? And plus again. So this is the code. Reuse the code. It's going to install Flameshots, but no, remove Flameshot because I want to have the Flameshot kit. If it's installed, it's going to pulse. So let's continue. So you check what's in here. R is remove, S is install without confirmation, no, yes, no. And if it's already installed, needed, then don't. It's already there. So all these choices are mine. I remove the Sublime text if by, I don't think it will happen anymore, so I think I could delete these guys. It won't be on any ISO anymore because we went to Sublime Text 4. But yeah, when you keep having old SSDs, you run the script and it will remove the old one and get a new one. Simple as that. So the thing I've added, the new thing I've added is the personal folder. No, not the personal folder. Personal settings, ISO, the 1 and the 2. Remember the things you had that we've created on the video, the last video at this point in time, the 3rd August of 2021. There we've added a look with the Surfing icons and a look with the ArcoLinux Beauty Line Candy icons. So these two guys, I would like to have them on my machine, on my personal folder. And that's the deal, right? After installing, I can also put something in here. It's not only for the builders. You can do just a clean install, any ISO, 24 ISO, just choose, and then keep your scripts around, like this one. This is called ArcoLinux Nemesis. Give it a name you like, reuse it. And I believe it's in the personal folder that I'm gonna go for a, let's see, I'm gonna go for shell personal. I have all these ready now. Personal 1 is gonna copy paste everything in the folder personal and the folder, sorry, in the folder 1 and the folder 2, folder 3. I have possibility to change not to 9 themes instantly. Just type personal 1, reboot, I've got it, right? So that's the idea. At this point in time I just have 2, but the aliases are ready already. Then, if the aliases are there, I need to get all the rests, and that's here. Here I say copy personal settings, personal, copy everything you find in this particular folder to the personal folder with sudo, right? Copy paste recursively with force, and then he's gonna get everything that's in personal settings in here. In this personal ISO is gonna get everything in here and put it there. Simple, efficient, it works. Well, I haven't tried yet, so let's see if it works. So my idea is change any Linux distribution. This is not about ArcoLinux only. Any look you hate and want to change, make scripts. Don't do it manually. Why would you do it manually if you can have a subordinate, a slave, so to speak, and let it work for you, right? Install the core software. Target not found, flame shot. So let's clean it up in the meantime. So this guy is normally not going to be present anymore on any of our ISOs, nor is this guy going to be present anymore on our ISOs. And then you just keep up and git push it again, right? Git clone, git push, and next time around, after the next installation, your scripts is better, right? ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, I get the new icon theme there. It's not on the ISO. Doesn't need to be on the ISO. Just install it. You got it. So that's number 100. Number 200 if you want. Well, is it still open? No, it's already closed, but Super Shift D code. There it is again. What's in this? Let's close a little bit of things here. What's in the 200? There we install the VirtualBox for Linux. Okay, I want to have VirtualBox. Cool. I run 200. Simple, right? You just choose what you want and make your own scripts for it. Reuse the work we've done. That's a smart thing to do. So I don't want to start the extra icons, but do take a look. That's this one, start the mint icons, surfing. So icons enough, I think. With all of this, there is still much to choose from, and that's the new guy. So that's what I want to achieve at some point in time. So everything is back the way it used to be in my style there, and this style we're gonna copy paste is gonna be our darkest, I believe, right? So gonna put everything back, the way it's supposed to be. Generally speaking, this is the standard setting, I think. And then all the rest, if you like my own personal settings, you can reuse them. There are some things in there that you can have a look at, like uninstall applications, lots of stuff you don't want to have on your machine. You can add an S to it, RS maybe, and uninstall anything from ArcoLinux Steam. If you installed ArcoLinux Meta Steam, you can remove it as well. Here we're removing all the drivers that are possible, might be there, and so on and so on. Right? So just go and read what it does. The bookmarks, love my bookmarks. Nothing is here, right? Nothing is here. But every single time I have to remake the bookmarks. No, of course not. Go to the settings, bookmarks, put the file somewhere. And actually I want to have a new file here as well, which is called file, and then personal, right? Personal and personal. So I have always the folder personal in the left side of my Thunar or Nemo or other file managers. So all of this starts with running applications, 900, not applications, but codes, right? 900, the bash RC of here, bin bash. And it runs all of these settings. Get the bash RC personal, get the ZSH RC, I have my own ZSH RC, ZSH personal, my own settings for variety, get them all in. And here is the personal settings. So that's the one I'm gonna test out, number 900. All right, so ls, where am I? cd, go to the personal folder, ls 900, install personal settings folder. Boom, there you have it. I have my personal stuff. It's not empty. Control H, config, xfce, xfce conf. It's not empty. Okay, settings. Now, normally I just run everything. Now I'm picky, and we're gonna get also the bash RC personal scripts in. Where is that? That's here. That's the same number, 900. Okay, so that's cool. Don't need to do anything anymore, but gonna check. Is the bash RC personal here? Yes, it is. Does it contain the personal alias? Yes, personal 1 and personal 2, it's there. Is it loaded? Ah, no. Either you reboot, since this is a video, I can't. So I'm gonna just say copy bash cb, copy bash, and then I'm gonna say personal 1, and it's not complaining, meaning he knows what this is. He gets it, right? Alias personal 2. What is that? That's this. So it is loaded thanks to the cb copy bash. It's loaded, and the personal one as well. All right, I can go on and go on. I mean, try to read code, you reuse everything we've put online already, make your own GitHub, of course, make your own name and git clone it and change anything you like, copy paste code, learn from the code, because running this is less than 5 minutes. It is. But it will change your computer system, your operating system in such a manner that it's your thing. And you don't need the building experience yet to do it. It will come over years, after years of using ArcoLinux, you get how it's all fitting together. And then you can start building things. But this is as much fun, right? And it's great because you stick to the clean install, what we provide, and then you do your thing. And the personal folder is ideal for it. With little scripts, you have an easy way to switch between looks, and that's fine. That's great. All right, I hope I get people motivated to be creative on these matters. And follow the guides, follow the advice to put your configs online, so you can replace any config we give you with your config. And as you see, I'm changing my own configs. I am changing the config in variety. I'm changing my own ZSH, RC, and so much more, because I don't want to push it out on people. I don't want there's the freedom thing, right? Don't want to push it onto you. So you decide what you change after installing. All right, I'm out. Cheers.